Hi, I'm Martin Lim, Rohde and Schwarz Application Engineer. And today, we want to show you the 67 Gigahertz SMW. This generator is the first in the industry that can generate a 2 gig wide RF bandwidth at 67 gigahertz. Great for 5G, 6G, and also radar applications. What's unique about this is this optimized EVM feature. What that does is the instrument automatically levels IQ, it corrects for phase imbalance, and actually corrects for any frequency flatness. So without user interaction at all you have to do is set the frequency and power, and automatically has the best possible signal generation available without user intervention. Measuring the signal is our FSW. And this specific unit has a completely redesigned front end to have a much larger bathtub curve. What that means, of course, is most instruments actually have a stellar EVM measurement, but only at one point. It's not really wide. This instrument is redesigned so that it's the widest possible, so you have the most usable range of any spectrum analyzers. And here you can see a 64 QAM signal at -40. It's currently measuring at 48 gigahertz, and this is exceedingly difficult to do. Here we see the SMW optimized EVM button. Now, why is that important? A lot of times, IQ is imbalanced. So we have to muck around with setting the offset on the I and the Q, making sure the quadrature is offset, and we have to twiddle with it. It could take hours to do that. But one of the questions we had is, well, why should the user do that? Why shouldn't the instrument do it itself? And that's why we created this optimized EVM button. It will automatically correct for any impairments between the two channels so that you have the best possible EVM in your IQ modulator. Here we show a bathtub curve. It's typical that seen on a spectrum analyzer. And what we did with this FSW is we have an enhanced dynamic front end that dramatically improves and widens the bathtub curve, as you can see in green. So it's possible that you have an amazing EVM that's shown in yellow, but it's also important to have a really wide EVM, so you can have a really large usable range. Thanks for listening today, and please visit us at booth 7056.